You build your campaigns with a flowchart-like structure called a workflow. They're built in this interface with an easy drag and drop system. You have elements to your left that can be dragged and dropped onto your workflow. In this particular campaign, you have an email that's sent to the customer. Once the customer clicks on a link in an email, he gets sent a tweet. But if he closes the email without clicking the link, we're going to add a tag to his contact details saying that he's not interested. To do this, we click on the tag element to the left. We provide a suitable name and save it. Once it's saved, you see the element on the workflow. You then drag this element to wherever you want it to be located and then link the two nodes. Your process is now complete. There are various elements that you can add to the body of your campaign. You can send an email to the customer, you can wait for a specific duration, you can add tags or change your customer's score or send a tweet. You can also perform A/B testing, check for the existence of specific tags, specify conditions to be evaluated, or push and pull your data with third-party applications using JSON. You make sure that your campaign has an appropriate name and save it. You can run a campaign on contacts either by explicitly adding the contact to your campaign or by automating this process using triggers. A list of triggers can be found here. Triggers let you put contacts into campaigns automatically based on certain conditions. Let's create a new trigger. We give an appropriate name to this trigger. We select a condition for the trigger to satisfy. And we associate the trigger with an existing campaign. What this means is that whenever a tag called new signup is added to a contact, the contact is added to this campaign. There are various other conditions that you can set for your trigger. You can also check if a tag is deleted instead. You can check if a new contact has been added. You can check if a new deal has been added. You can also check if the score of a contact crosses a particular value. Let's save this. The trigger turns up in our list. When we go back to the campaigns page, we can see that the campaign we created earlier is now linked to the new trigger.